My name is Luigi. I'm a furniture maker. High-end furniture, mostly upholstery. We make sofas, sofa beds, headboards, and case goods being tables, and chairs, and day beds, and actually cabinets. I think I like cabinets lately. I'm kind of dedicating myself more to them. Functions to each piece of furniture, and each one of the parts that are moving can be made to do specific things. And for instance, I'm building one now where the customer has a gun collection that he wants to hide, so it has to have a drawer with a false bottom where there are guns underneath it. The designer generally is not working for themselves, they're working for someone else. If you have a budget and you are able to afford us, because we are expensive, then there is really no limit to what we can build for them. The most tedious part is probably making sure that everything gets made in a timely fashion and it fits and it gets through the doors that it has to get through. There's always a starting point. Showroom models so that people will get inspired by them and then modify them to suit their needs. It's a whole process, although it may not appear to be, every single part of it is important. These projects are interesting, they're fun to do, and the clients are very happy in the end because it's something they could not have gone to a store to buy. I've always liked to do things with my hands. I always painted, even as a child. I've always built things, and when I was little I used to take things apart. If I had a screwdriver in my hands, I would take my mother's vacuum cleaner apart or a toaster oven, to see how it worked and how it functioned. And sometimes I wasn't able to put things back together the right way, but definitely took them apart, and I had a curiosity to understand how things work. I like the engineering part of building, and I like to come up with new ways of building things. In the past, when I was younger, I used to think, I'm not doing this right because nobody makes things the way I make them. And it took me about 20 years to realize that nobody had ever thought of making them that way. So in spite of the fact that I thought I wasn't very good at it, it's just because nobody had thought of that before. So it was kind of relieving once I found that out, because I always used to be, oh, you can't do it like that because it's not done like that. Well, here we go. I made it like that.